Hi everyone, my name is Alex and I'll be introducing you to PERSUIT's Rate Review Pro. Rate Review Pro was designed to help in-house legal teams be more efficient and effective at negotiating rates with their external law firm partners. Let's take a look at how it works. Here, you are viewing the homepage of the PERSUIT platform, where we make it easy to select from our most common use cases, like building a single matter RFP, or in our case, Rate Review Pro. Just like an RFP process, our platform can help you create rate review templates to obtain your firm's rates in a way that allows you to centralize all of the data and compare everything side by side. These templates can be structured by jurisdiction, practice area, frequency, or team, and can be sent directly to your firms. Select a template to easily start and begin the customization process. Within a matter of minutes, you can define the purpose of the rate review or negotiation, the blended rate structures of the titles your organization is reviewing, for example, from senior partner to paralegal, name timekeepers if you're interested in a specific set of lawyers, and any qualitative questions to gain more information around the inevitable increased rates from your firms. After customizing your draft, you can set the proposal deadline that best fits your organization's schedule. And then you can invite as many of your firms at once, allowing you to do all of your reviews and negotiations in one place at one time. As firm proposals come in, the PERSUIT apples-to-apples comparison view allows you to review the strategy and information proposed by each firm. You'll be able to analyze law firm rates comprehensively across different staff levels from firm to firm by using the available filters to specify chosen firm groupings, practice areas, and jurisdictions. This visibility allows your legal department to easily spot identifying market trends, outliers, and areas of potential cost savings to drive smarter decision-making. With the PERSUIT platform, the need for inputting Excel formulas is gone. Rate Review Pro will auto-calculate the most critical metrics for you, such as weighted average increase and total spend impact. Rate Review Pro empowers legal teams to understand where proposed rate hikes will affect them the most, allowing them to negotiate with precision and purpose. Many of our customers tell us that their lawyers or legal ops teams now use the data from Rate Review Pro to negotiate stronger, where they historically may have just blindly accepted those rate hikes. With Rate Review Pro, the old days of lengthy email chains to track months of negotiations is out the window. Build your source of truth during rate reviews and empower your legal team to negotiate the way they want, whether through a phone call or behind the scenes with us. From start to finish, PERSUIT will support your annual rate negotiations in one location and store them away for review and renegotiation in future years to come. If you haven't already, inquire about Rate Review Pro today. Save yourself, your team, and your firm's time and stress this rate season.